Alright, Railroad Dispatcher Communication Training Material, U.S. Department of Transportation, Federal Railroad Administration, Office of Research and Development, Washington, D.C. 20590. And we're on 65. Topic 6, Common Readback, Hearback Errors. Note instructor remind participants to require complete, accurate readback of authority. Remind participants the importance of readback, hearback. Purpose. For the purpose of the topic, identify what the most common readback, hearback errors made with the facility with determine possible ways to avoid the errors. Goal to develop strategy with avoiding common readback, hearback errors. Approximate one time. Material with the data. Common readback handbook error made on the facility flip chart. Note with the instructor of the course material. You with the exercise with the test have with the following error types. It's not essential that the course participants following the terms you should make with a certain that you leave discussion following type of the error that can get discussion with the participant come with the terms that refer over these error types. Go ahead and use the participant terms. Wrong and sympathetic confusion within the radio exchange with the due with the additional intent with the party of the exchange. Only 4% of the errors cover the course of the error of this type. Transposition. An example of transposition would be number 415 or number 514 northbound train, or on south leading becoming southbound train on north leave. Transposition state true or false, yes or no status. Also included here, such as every interstation, do not enter the station. 6% of the errors are samples of this type. Homophones. Homophone is defined with a confusion of the expression of the sound, such as the head 10, head pin for head 10. Head 10 for head pin. 8% of the errors are samples of areas of the sample area of this type. Substitution. Error to define simply substitution incorrect with the information and correct information exchange with the most common type of the course samplers, with 55% of the errors falling in this category. Substitution. Omission. The error to define leaving the part of the information out for the response. This is also common type. 27% of the error samples filling in this category. Instruction. Introduce for the purpose of this topic, agree with the following model of the group that refer to handout. Topic 1. Dispatcher issue authorization. Track occupant. Acknowledge repeats authorization contact readback. Dispatcher. Acknowledge if necessary correct track occupant readback. Readbacker error occurs. Your track occupant repeats authorization content incorrectly. Hearback error when the dispatcher confirmed with the track occupant incorrect readback. Readback, hearback error is a general term when used and refer to communications error between the dispatcher and the track occupant. Divide participant in two groups of the both of the group that develop a list of the things with the 10 most common in readback, hearback errors made with the facility. List of the errors on flip chart. Compare the list of the two groups that develop the data of the errors identifying with the duration of the tape relay and analysis of the means used with the facility, making the necessary additions to the list. Have participation work with a small group that have both the group that determine with a possible call for each of the readback, the hearback with the error that identify with what may be done and avoid type of the area of the participation have a determined call for the each of the remedy with each area that have of the present situation enter with the group. Little responsive on the list responsive on the flip chart. Note the instructor. Topic 7. Readback here identifying readback hearback errors.